Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwendwum die so dia wo kensi on sempa esa kena no pesu ja medindi Enoch Kwesi Walanyo Wallace agudie crutch bako pe the only nomenclature professor's degree in sports the Al Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and medicine kunya ekono kwanten coordinates modern saka and ano pensu bi e Ghana agudie 18 jaw shend so mam se nwuma kuni miensa omna ebo machido man ano pensu de nkomon eba one expert I've always told you that betting is better than sakawa bet the intasima weche so twan before ana odin befu twan kuma bi odin kuma sa no manum nti abusua de japade bi sa asase aja ska connection pass abetu tabiri na wakona na afọ akoton na afọ dis connect yansa be guso na esa de ketwa ekoje kesere no na mo bet with money that you can afford to lose ka ira enyo ya no eno ana editwa bet nyesa de bet diwa wadwene betia bɔ mutri betia san hyehyew bomodin ada se oya kwala na oni mutri ni wotwe a emfa wonje bet ni mo pe bet ndi a ne aka nyina echi no one expert any bet betia boa ema onya financial freedom nti bomodin ada se onso betimi de ho agim Jeffas mixture edrotatashi say infections native gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fever na so dipo a edoi eboa prapra hrawa na omrebo ho ema utimi de nchineche bomodin ada okọ herbal shops ne pharmaceutical shops ne ma also pe Jeffas na no kwesela no pabehwa dance only Jeffas can save amount for to edro bruta bomodin ada so nso sabetia ke bebeboa ema wapomodon nsem so atiatintim Sedimo gel and roll-on, your ultimate pain relieving gel, a pain, a few pampas so be monasino. Ya odi bi a uti bia na doi ebetien sentu ase okwa shaman me market enyena ana fete manso enyena hokra o pedodo atu aton ana se woto de ye ho a obetien friend pain for 0208219129 na on Sedimo gel and roll-on. Ye ntwetwe nkomo ye nhwemwa ema 822 ye mfamo madama wom na techire bo amena no penso dia okensi un sempan saka no etimi ejao a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins with very first step yen chase emfan fees na nema esie course so ewo eye crowd filled at the streets ewo eye okupiem ewo Argentina na hwe ni padodo a abodom pemede o monetiven sache street mu esan say Argentina for etimi age World Cup na this year so 2022 ewo Qatar no we ni nkomo bia eno so etimi piem. Enti na se Argentina krodu anim nyina otimi sampa kroni ehuru putuputuputu nya asem keto kra mo de che omoso a eje kakra ho nso de che kakra ho ani nyina se Argentina 2022 Qatar World Cup against kesi etimi to fam no wo mo anepija abonsu a ye disika ukọ na aye no edisi om stress so na eno ansi ho a ukọ Morocco fon so akache omoso etimi san akire mbobre pa third and fourth place om na to so nan ewudwumadi a mutimi san di enim na the very first time ni a bibiman Africa etimi akire mbobre eni to de wani etimi san akire mu Morocco nura na eno so apiem e Morocco ni Nese Morocco so de ne obetwa betwi so loku anya sam ketwa kra untwi so akoda na agese Morocco for so ani agese be bi omukoduye e World Cup no for the very first time set a record as an African country no na ni so edema omdwumedia omukudie afi entintom e ofie na afi hwese na nema esie koso na ukọ Ghana Football Association wo mo medical committee no Dr. Adam Baba and the Dasa Medical Committee yano na manfo beka 2021 African Cup of Nations na players be a pra na nankro baba sebenyado de bia masema meka ne se konfubone kura pa akukọ den musu enye ne nan ba ko chane takrem na so behwem no na se Mubarak Wakasu no kan ho bi na afen so abrante ba kwa ne din ene Kamala Dini Sulemana ana Kudus Mohammed omina na emu ye players a ase praka kretian sado krom na so edi omu kan timu etian san kopie mu Dr. Adam Baba echeche mu ntia na womo eka Black Star team no.
Well, so Dr. Beer, no doctor advice. The coach, what the people didn't understand, coach no, or explaining at home. CAF may 23 players to come.
Yeah.
To register for any game, you had to register 23. But because of COVID, because we were doing COVID tests every other day. And the assumption was that if you have a pandemic in your camp, you will have some of the players going out. And the CAFMA, all participating teams, 5 extra players who you can add to your team. Do you understand? Mm-hmm. And the CAFMA will be 5 extra players to add to your 23. And we had 3 injured players, Ghana. Wakaso, Kudus, and Kamaldeen. They were all injured. But the coach invited them. Kamaldeen was...
The coach himself injured?
Yes.
But invite you?
Invite you. Okay. And Kamaldeen and Kudus, they opted to treat themselves outside. Baby Omo, they said they'll treat themselves there. If they get better, before if we're able to qualify through the first stage, they would have gotten better and joined us. And after our second match, Kamaldeen was okay. And he joined us. He came from France. Kudus was also waiting for us to qualify. Then he says he was also getting better because his name was also there. The caveat was Wakaso. Wakaso was invited by the coach because the coach thought or knew that when we bring him, with time we'll treat him and he'll get better. And this was the arrangement he made. Wakaso was not being treated by us. The coach had arranged with the sports medicine hospital in Qatar. The top doctor there, or the doctor in charge, was from their country, was a Serbian. And he told the doctor, and they had the captain of the team, Dede, had also arranged for Wakaso to get his physio treatment from his club. That was their arrangement. It was not part of the... So we went and Wakaso was being treated.
By you?
Not by me. Not at all.
By the experts now?
By the experts.
Services now?
We had nothing to do with his treatment.
Okay.
We were just only supervised.
Okay.
So we only tell the coach, they say they will do some procedure for him. If the procedure is done, then we'll give him 10 days, he can start playing. So that was what was. And Wakaso was being treated physically by Dede's team. They had done their arrangement without us. And we, the medical team, we had nothing to do with Wakaso's treatment.
No, sir, you don't advise move from to so
we know this was his injury, and they said they would treat.
And see, Dr. Adam Baba, a Ghana Football Association medical committee, chairman, and alternate cancer or the Sanchez Chemun 18 Samba. Or some to us with the Komoka Crat and Samba, and Nasmo can be on the say, or an place who are more in your Mumuabi, no matter drum home at their 2 or Meridiani, set tattoo or set tattoo, the implications and so any.
But not on footballers in their old age.
In their old age?
Yes.
Tattoo being effect also?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Revelation.
Yes. It affects the skin, ultimately. And now, so Oprah. It is a obia with bleachy. Upraness a pama. If you are closing up, a tattooed skin. It's something else. And if they go out of football, they would all want to clean it up. But the good thing is say, baby, I want say opera, it might not be too difficult for them, but in their old age, it's going to be difficult. And tattoo is just they are young. Wow. They don't know the effect, but it's not good for the skin.
Oh, I see. And so you didn't advise you on tattoo specifically?
No, we always advise.
A Semper FM.
So by your just don't paint your body like the whites do. Don't paint your body because you'd want to clean up all those things because you want your grandchildren to see you in those tattoos. So much say, oh, grandpa, it's not. But see, idea, it's like the order of the day.
Yeah.
But there'll come a time. But not on footballers in their old age.
Dr. Adam Baba Ghana Football Association medical committee chairman and alternate council and Como 8th idea fasten and Yama ACTA with regards to players' health and a tattoo and then Koma or the HR to crab. But Yentin Tomo come from there has a full for catching and saying Temobantia by quite friend said Fatau Mohammed, Nankan Canon air captain. Ede Emma Hakra has a football kono na coach Mantic ABP muno na nkoma oba ne say brantie surplus to requirement nya de obehia no say obesia kan ede Emma Hakra has a football bi ko no biu na ne akopiem no say Fata Mohammed nso ede ahomete ne yawdie etutu bia de amane has a football nya sam ketewa cross has a football kono pa de ohwe ayumdwumadi a omudi a teku sempo aka pre ne da amane ya ne ede mom nya de betu ansa toka ohun so kitaka na the senior national soccer team Blasters of Ghana kopiem no ana eboa na mane nya dwetria wode etoka no achi kwesen bisan se a free ban ye kra no obe advice ya brantens on tra hasa now so there be ono also advice a free ban ye se on tra hasa food ya ene nkanyame entu ne ka san komo yina achi no ana nei Fatah Mohammed asade abase obesere se nkomo a asode abufuni ahomete ye kan yina no e hasa fufo emfa nche no
want to map there na pay kwa maka ya me media me kwa media hand to map
national anthem no bia
yes
obisa president Kobeka say hand to map
yes
so say me kan hand to map fa enye kwan bone so na me fa na me kai
yeah
asama me kai no o ma fa no in different way
yeah
so see am sa platform we be po macho say bia say obia oti bia ohun in the different way na enye the way me won na
yeah
I'm sorry to say sa samna eba no obia am fan chame because see has na mama Fatah la me metian
yeah
so me perhaps man
you love the club.
I love the club.
Given the opportunity crano so kwanya be back crano say yeah ka say serve another club it's how to folk that you serve
so say adewe e buy no enye first time new I'll be bobo when I has for CBI the Fatah to transfer
yeah
now then my sabe back me sabe boss
yeah
so when you first when you second
yeah
so say obia save only ajumbi ama club no ebia in the first time we do to transfer na was frame back na ma ba na was side same thing the second time player bia ni obesaba but mo sabe for na 3 times but mo so up to down still so see ebia see am abeka asem na ebia mo hu ni say be different now
yeah
nyina nipa ni obi atime phone
so once a phobia you
enti Fatah and now 10 council den nkomo 8 January former captain for Accra of football because sigwetria ye dem obosume bia en hand to mouth for yes Mexico so ento besen kra na tojot and nti esika ekuma kra but enano ada was and the chopa bija our semper fam so say obi asasem we ase ha na adwene bia no omo emfa nche no eno achi kwa fie ban so ebisa say onka brant no betu no for say on transfer no say da bi ono pa de ontu afie ban for say on transfer for football konim nyesa dia nyame betu ya ka so no so emu chechiremu nie
to afri as a main can say I will not advise afri to sign for House of Football
yeah
most question obisa me say mami akunya say me can che afri ba MC betima advise afri in 2 conditions
okay
2 conditions if one I can advise Afri renew your contract with House of Folk so that Ukwa House of Folk will benefit from you
transfer.
Transfer.
Yeah.
If in that one there, I'm good to tell Afri say okay Afri then renew and go so that years now so House of Folk will be free.
Yeah. Which is a good advice.
It's a good advice.
Yeah, it's a good advice.
And second one say so in case LMC say me advice Afri in Sisia in current form ni nema wom Sisia no ana severe si Afri kita sia no.
Yeah.
Say me advice Afri bo Sambo Ghana Premier League.
Yeah.
Any good advice.
So on Central League. Yeah, not House of Folk.
Not House of Folk. League mu no. With Obo from under 20 share. Sa 2021 2022 shares. Afri any colleagues are on under 20 year accompaniment. Afri pen aka.
Yeah.
See, day in day out, the all shiny day in day out.
Yes.
So Sisia say me advise Afri on Sanka or Ghana. Non somebody and your advice, papa.
Yeah, your advice, papa. Yeah.
So Musho we say make a way I be na store na eba letter part time say I will no advise Afri to play in Ghana League in Pena eba ya or Biatia Edani Sisia. My papa ni say me advice Afri say on be has.
But you never said say House of Folk.
Say has me see Ghana League.
Ghana League, yeah.
Because so a free player, wait match you see team be open so.
Yes.
But me see Ghana League.
Yeah. But how the can say on renew na you House of Folk.
House of Folk.
So the has be benefit.
Obenye bibi wom. So it's any full video no man out here. Obeti we nyina. But the small one no mo de buy no. Sa part no mo de buy. So obia be fa sa part na so that obia ga say man can ye.
Yeah.
So some man can ye in that part in so Ghanaians and House of Folk fans are obia on fan cham.
Yeah, but at least you so come obia hu the assembly okay.
So entina me chirichiri we mu nyina.
Say baby a free pedigree ni CV adu sisi ane de Ghana League non kom.
Enti Fatal Mohammed, former Accra Folk captain, or both seasons Makuma Kubese do over 10 years near Usi Akama Accra Folk. Now so coach Bonfita Bayano or say Abrantian air surplus to requirement Nadi Obihiano say Unsia kan air famom no so to be Eddie Emmanuel Efi Park Nechi Edeko Park and so Yami Adom Rest and Shen Bisia Kobati Emra GPL Ghana Premier League week 9 matches ni between Santo Femsi Kama in Swataman for transfer House of Folk become Kabako omo ye ya omantimi anti Accra Great Olympics oli gbogbo oli mache oli nkonsonkonso oli pieto oli juluju oli the city is 2 down omo so transfer Medina Stars etwa Kabako a omo so antimi anti boni akoma hwesena matches na esi ekoso.
This afternoon's encounter, Osman Imoro. He's an assistant lecturer and a librarian. He's going to handle the game for 90 minutes. We'll be supported by Stephen Balanguena and Isaac Asante on the lines. Our fourth official is Jacob Aduntera. Osman Ibrahim Imoro, I should say, would usher us into the first 45 minutes of the game. Swatremana playing from right to left, and that's the chap Stephen Dio. We're talking about him earlier on. Opportunity for Swatremana is a long one in. Richmond Ayi to the rescue. Here come an opportunity. Threaded into the 18-yard box. The header is on. Oh, Ayi had to stretch to his limits. Some good goalkeeping. Missed opportunity by the home side.
Yeah, it's an amazing move.
And he comes in again, Dio. And Ayi again, this time a firm grab. So, for Accra Hearts of Oak, Richard Ayi has been in some superb and fantastic form.
Yeah, the header here from Ofori. He thought he had scored, but what a save from Ayi to then again the delivery from the left side, another header, and just look at Ayi. Wonderful save.
Yeah, been on active duty. Sure will do his possible best to get the ball out. Here's Salifu Ibrahim with a corner kick. It's flicked on. Oh, across the face of goal. Fabian's in the shot. Oh, missing clearly the opportunity. It's Swaterman under pressure.
Very unlucky. Hearts of Oak. Should have been the first goal. The delivery from Salifu, not really dealt with and was hanging in there. Asante.
Accra Hearts of Oak have taken off Zachary. That was made in the second half. Faju goes down. And Accra Hearts of Oak are in the lead.
Of course, Akazo folk was in the lead. Our case in the pay and as Slavko Mantic has a full for coach Penny, or no so then and come 18 Jai say, as a Omako Trafia check a crab, but much more than when you know was very impressive for him.
For young players, they show again attitude, amazing character. First half we have problems. We know how they will play with long passes, second ball. Second half we change system, change lot of position for players. They adapt very good. You saw second half they didn't have any chance. One more time, congratulations. I think better team won today. The best analysis on the time for the game. We changed many of that. Many players change position. Good substitution we make. We change system from 4-4-2 to 4-2-3-1. We make more high press, more aggressive second ball, and we deserve this win. Also, with the referee, I'm not satisfied today.
The Slavko Mantic has a full for coach no, and Okasa says and Yemian Meneno. Now already na was patch say match on boy and any so motivating kunim. But your assistant coach the man instructor man Boniface Ayipa ho on also the nkomo twen say ja say ohwemu a nso so anya nani so say omodi ntwo e was akin sini.
We are not really happy that we've been defeated. Yeah, we knew we were going to win this match as usual, but unfortunately I think there was a mistake clearance by the goalkeeper. It's unfortunate. I think we came up with a strategy. It is House of Folk we are playing. We knew their style of play, so we also have to map up a strategy to be able to hold them and then to take them on. And if you watch the first half, what we did was we got the chances, glaring chances that we failed to bury the chances. If you look at it carefully, yes. And it was unfortunate we couldn't bury those chances. And I think their coach too, tactically, he realized that we're playing 3-back, so he was pushing more men up front. And with that, we had to talk to our midfielders to keep put. But I think they didn't get what exactly we're doing. So they were able to get a chance.
Now you've lost back-to-back. Where do you go from here?
We keep playing. It's football. It's
Nti instructor man for assistant coach and din any Boniface Ayipa and alternate cancel the nkomo 8 say just say match omo boy no timi sampa no my crowd sen combat din kuni but konwe ne sen Adom e wo honom nyame adoma matches no 8 san to so and so uninterrupted channel so mam se be United Ghana's Dangote Agama the team no wo mo anytime City ne be hyesia kan na afen so Kumasi Asante Kotoko wo mo so ne brekum Chelsea dia boss Dreams Football Club ne Kumasi Kemfaisa e de be hyesia na afen so Karela ene Media Sporting Club enso de be boss na afen Kotokuru House wo mo ne Lagos City and the Akensi ne betia boss we a week 9 matches out do e catch no and Ghana Football Association for paying for share him say nyame adoma e be properly nyina achi kransa na 8 de bronya into we any matches out and also 18 cent of medicine and mother was here san CLP basha no so me say 1xbet have always told you that betting is better than soccer or more and a touch the boy ema yede sa enkomo 18 bro fast mixture edi edu tashwe 18 sa ba ko herbal shops and pharmaceutical shops in them also pe fast edu ba ko a two infections as a proper the boy mo apomu don sem etimi ekoye no sedimo gel and roll on fewer pampas so be pem on ase no edu etu pain yaw edi fi widinim na boa emanema ekoye de ma we mu ana touch the boy man na penso yede agokensi unsempa ensa kan etimi jaw within the Enoch kwasi wolanyo wana sagudi catch back open am jire of course evidence based presentation etimi jaw rather than any man your kese you be that so ni fan ko be be any that so me so esu die sister Sandy be a guy in terms of entertainment there Ghana had you be intimi no entertainment mistress back open then komo ede emu ehwam and intimi sew koso akache abusuafo na mfo yere ma wo fase fo nanam ukunu ne mpranfo nyina se sister Sandy be a guy eba happiness within the profit ke wala sagudi catch maso so